up, my fitness family? Guess what? It is the AB 30-day workout challenge at home for those six-pack abs. It's day 2. All right? So yes, like I told you, it's a progression. So you are going to go ahead and have it harder and harder each time. So we're going to make it a little harder today. So if you do not know who I am, my name is Brent. This is BK, PT. If you have not yet subscribed, definitely subscribe. Mash the notification bell. We have something awesome going on right now. So this is a 30-day ab challenge. Something, that's fantastic. You just kind of throw in. It's an addition to your workout already. It's 15 minutes, all right? So it's 15 minutes of abs every single day for 30 days. And you will see results. Your core will get stronger. Your core will get more definition. So I just want to tell you guys, if you need modifications for any of these exercises, I have a modification for the AB 30-day workout challenge at home for six-pack abs. And I also have the introduction, so that way you know what you're doing and you know what you're getting ready to take part of. And then today is day 2. So I'm going to set my timer. I'm not going to take any longer, and we're going to get started, all right? So we're going to start off. We got 5 exercises. It's going to be 10 repetitions each, and you're going to go through all of them until we get to 15 minutes. But guess what? Today I add 2 new exercises to the mix. So we have 7 exercises, 10 reps each for 15 minutes. All right, let's do it. So we're going to start off with a reverse crunch. But I'm going to start my watch real quick so that way I get counted for it. All right. Set a 15-minute timer. Maybe. It's on it, but it's not doing it. Hold on. There it is. All right, here we go. So reverse crunch. Just 10 reps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. We're going to do a step through, a plank step through. So plank position, just rotating the lower trunk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, flipping back over, we got X-Man. Or for all you politically correct people out there, X-person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ready? 8, 9, 10. All right, now we have the side plank with rotation. So all these were thought about pretty hard on putting together at least the foundation for you guys. Even if you needed modifications, I still thought out all those modifications. So that way you're building your core top, bottom, side, 9 and 10. All right, other side. Why are those sliders there, Brent? I see them in the background. 1, 2, 3. 4, If you have shoulder issues, this is not one of the exercises that I have you doing, just for the fact of it's a lot of pressure on your shoulder when making those motions. So I have those modifications, like I said, in the modification video. So we have top half crunch with rotation. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Ah, we're getting there. All right, so now we're going to flip over. We're going to go body saw, which is the add-on for this day. So body saw, you're on your elbows. I'm using sliders. You can go socks on a hardwood floor or tile or laminate. Use paper plates, but you're just in a plank position, shifting backwards and then to your elbows. Back into the plank. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah. 7. Come on, 3 more. 8, 9, 10. And then the second add-on is going to be the alt jackknife. I'm going to give you a tougher version of this one next week. So alt jackknife, you're going to take your right arm. We're going to come up to that left foot. 1, 2. Good, cross that body. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! 5, 6, 7. Oh, they're cramping on me. 8, 9, 10. Oh, baby. We're to the top. That was the end of the first round, so we're back to the reverse crunch. So hands back on the floor. And we're going to pop those hips up. Round 2, 10 reps. 1, keeping that back snug on the floor. 2, 3. Oh, have mercy on us. 4, 5, 6, 7. I love it. 8, 9. Come on, Brent. 10. Do you guys talk to yourself when you work out? They say you're only crazy if you answer yourself, right? Here we go. 1, 2. Plank kick through. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, other side. Woo, baby. Keep going. 10. All right, X-Man. Let's do it. 2. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. Could feel him cramping already. Who else is dying out there? That was only 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, side plank with rotation. We're getting warmed up now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 8, 9, 10. Oh. Whew, baby. Other side. 1, reaching through. 2, reaching through. 3. Oh. 6. 7. Woo-wee. All right. Now we're in the top half crunch. This one's a creeper, man. It creeps up on me. Holding those feet up. Keeping that upper body up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On to those bonus 2, the add-ons. So body saw and alt jack. Here we go. Plank and shift. 3. Oh. 4. Boy, you have some strong abs here after this month. This 30-day challenge. 5, 6, 7. 3 more. This is a way to come back and punish myself after a week of skiing. 10. Oh, I love it. That was my favorite. Can usually get back a little further than that, but not today. I think my abs might rip in half. All right, alt jackknife. 2, 3. Oh, I'm just flopping back there. 6. Abs are shutting down. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. 1. Get those toes. 2, 3. 6, Three more. 8, 9, 10. All right. Did we make it through that thing like 10 times already or what? Feels like it. All right. Here we go. Round 3. I knew this was going to be the longest 15 minutes ever. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Halfway. 5 more. 6, 8, 7, 8. Brent, come on. You can do it. It's only 2 reps. 9. Step throughs. Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm about to be doing the pregnant roll here in a minute. Who knows what the pregnant roll is? Yes, no men do. But I see them. 2, 3, 4. I'll show you at the end of the video what the pregnant roll is. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, this is it. It's the 15-minute. Just dinging on my watch. Let's finish the second side. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. All right, here's the pregnant roll. Are you ready? I got to experience watching my wife go through this, and now I could tell when people are done doing abs that they can't. So usually when pregnant women go to sit up, they can't sit up. So the pregnant roll is because the baby's in, and they get up like this. So you know you accomplish some ab work when you're doing the pregnant roll. That was awesome. So if you guys enjoyed this, this is day 2 of the 30-day ab challenge. So it's the ab 30-day workout challenge at home for 6-pack abs, day 2. All right? So like I said, stay tuned because this is going to get progressively harder every day for 30 days. And I have the modifications in there if you can't do these exercises, so that way you still can participate, have fun, get a stronger core, and it's going to help you with everything, honestly. So I will see you in the next video for day 3.